Standard Investment Bank, SIB and Recosib Limited have partnered to launch the 5 credit products that aim at offering short-term collateral financing for small and medium enterprises, SMEs. I beg your pardon. The products under Recosib entity are contract financing, invoice discounting, local purchase order LPO financing, check discounting and reverse factoring.
To help businesses to keep growing, and that is our tagline. We are praying that our businesses locally will keep growing, simply because a lot of the contracts that have been given and awarded in this country of ours end up going with the multinationals, simply because they say our local contractors don't have the capacity. But it's not true. They actually are simply limited at the financial aspect of things. Otherwise, we have the expertise, we have the machinery necessary, and we have everything that is required to actually build our country ourselves.
And so to hear that you're the first non-collateralized product, I think this is great and a wake-up call for our players on the other side. What excites me even more is that this is an innovation coming off the capital markets. For a long time, people just think capital markets about investments and equities and trades, but seeing a financial product being backed by a capital market institution is an awesome achievement.
Coming up, the goals and results from Europe's top-tier competition.
Do you want to go strutting, you like my